This particular artwork was been sold in $69 million, and this Nyan Cat, this CryptoPunk, it was also sold in $600,000. Why these all things are being such a hype nowadays? Why NFT has become a new asset class nowadays? So hello guys, my name is Abhas Dash, and in today's video we'll be discussing about NFT, non-fungible token. And in today's video we'll be discussing two things. One is about NFT, what is NFT and why it is in hype nowadays, and the second thing is I'll be showing you where to buy this kind of NFTs. And my second video, which will be coming next week, it will be on how to create your own NFT token. And if you are an artist, if you are a painter, or if you are a songwriter, or if you are a lyricist or anything, then definitely this particular video will help you out. So let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So to understand non-fungible token, let us first understand about fungible token. What is fungible token? I have these two notes, 100 rupee notes. The value of this particular note can be transferred into this note. This particular paper will cost you 100 rupees. So as this will give you 100 rupees. So the value is same, but the papers are different. Okay, so this is fungible. Okay, I can give you this, or also I can give you this one. This is fungible. The value is same, but the papers are different. Okay, but when we come into non-fungible token, I'll tell you what is that. For example, the Mona Lisa painting or the Taj Mahal, these all things are unique. Its value cannot be transferred into another one. You can click a picture of Mona Lisa painting and you can say, I have this painting, but no, you have the duplicate one. Okay, you are not the owner of that painting. Okay, I can give you this one, I can give you this particular note, or I can give you this particular note. The value will be same. But if I give you the Mona Lisa painting, the original one, and the Mona Lisa painting from which I took a selfie, the value is not the same. So here comes the concept of non-fungible token. It's not fungible. Okay, so now if you have a unique piece or a unique art, or if you have any kind of unique song or any kind of thing, anything that has a unique value to it, you can sell it and people can buy it through bidding. But you can buy and sell this NFT through a platform which sits upon blockchain. Okay, so if you do not know what is blockchain, please click on the I button. I have a separate video on this, like what is blockchain, so that you can get an idea of it. Okay, how the blocks are created, how the transactions are being done. So when you put this particular value or this asset on top of blockchain technology, then what happens? It is more secure. The ownership is been maintained. The ownership cannot be hacked or something. Okay. So you can say in a short, like NFT is another use case of blockchain. You can buy and you can sell, you can transact all this kind of unique value, unique art pieces or unique songs or unique kind of tokens, which is on the top of blockchain technology. And the most importantly, what blockchain technologies has been used? The smart contract of Ethereum is being used here. So I do not want to go more into technicalities of it, because this particular video on the overview of NFT. Okay, so today I'll be showing you where you can buy this kind of NFT. Okay, so let's get started. So this is such a beautiful use case, right? Oh yeah, I completely forgot to tell you one thing. So why this is such a good use case for artists is like, once you sell this, okay, so there are like two benefits. Okay, the first benefit is, if once you sell it, the bidding happens of any of your artwork or any of your music. So there is an option where you can get the royalty when the buyer sells it to another buyer. For example, if I take 10% of royalty, if it further it has been sold, then I'll be getting that much royalty throughout my life, as much as the particular artwork has been in the market or it has been sold in the market. The second thing is, and the number of middle person is also nullified here, because you know, in the industry of art and all, the middle person, there are like a lot of middle person who takes away the profit, but here it doesn't happen. Okay, so directly from the consumer to the artist, the transaction of the artwork has been done. That's simple. Okay, so let's jump in. So it's very simple, just write it down, buy NFT. Yeah, this one. So Opensea is one of the largest marketplace to buy or to sell or to make a bid of your artwork. For example, this is, you can go to the marketplace, you can see the number of market art, music, domain names. Also you have specific domain names like crypto.com or .eth or something, trading cards, collectibles, many things are there. I'll show you some of them. There are like CryptoPunks also, you can buy from here. browse by categories and all. So there are like lots of things. Just go inside it and just bid it. And I can tell you another thing is like nowadays Binance has also started NFTs. I'll show you. Yep, this one you can see here, Genesis art. There are like lots of art structure, like 9 BNB. This is a little bit expensive, like 5,700 BNP, and these are all artwork. There are a lot of things you can buy, and you can make and be a owner of this particular artwork, art piece. Okay, and if you want to see more, for example, here also they are also giving mystery boxes. In mystery boxes there will be a sorted number of NFT tokens, and this has been ended right now. Okay, no issues. We'll go back to marketplace and let's hover around. Let's see like what kind of products they have. Like, you know, they have your art, gaming and all categories also there, like entertainment, gaming, collectibles, esports. So I'm a fan of art, so let's see what is there in arts. You can say this one, 15 BNP. Let's see what we have in sports. Okay, we have here, we have the 80 bets 2060 AFL goal of the year. Okay, so it's like 0.023 BNB. This is very cheap. So I can place a bid here by clicking on this. You can see the bid history, who have bidded for this. So I can bid for this particular NFT. That's it, as simple as that. So I hope you understood what is NFT and where to buy it. If you are an artist, please do subscribe to the channel, because in the next video I'll be coming up like how you will be making your own NFT like this and you can put it to bid. Okay, so it's very simple. I'll show you. Your brother is here. That's it, guys. So please do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, and please do motivate me like this, and I'll be coming up with new videos in the next episode. Thank you so much. Bye bye.